Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. Well, here we are. We're at the end of 2019. We're about to go into a new year and a new decade. I want to thank all you for joining me on this amazing journey, sharing some yummy Southern soul food recipes with all of you. I am truly blessed and grateful for all your support. I am looking forward to doing more great recipes to share with all of you in the new year. Also, 2019 has been an amazing year I will never forget. And stay tuned after this. I'm going to share with all of you all the great memories I had in 2019. Many thanks so much for watching. And for the final time in 2019 and until 2020, let's eat and let's go cook and bake some magic in my Southern kitchen. From all of us here at Ellen's Homemade Delights, we want to wish all of you a happy, blessed, and safe new year. And I see all of you in 2020. Much love. Hello, my friends. I have a special guest with me.
Tosh time.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so good to meet you and see
Likewise, girl. I love you so much.
Aw,
Welcome to Houston. You're welcome. Yes, ma'am. So my girl Tasha and I, we're about to have breakfast at the Breakfast Club, the best breakfast in the country.
you. Yes, I can't wait. I cannot. You know I love my food. I'm so greedy. I'm so greedy.
Girl, it's gonna be delicious.
Oh my God, I cannot wait. I've never been here before. She's been raving about it for a few days, so I have been preparing my stomach and I'm ready to get my grub on with my girl Ellen.
Yeah, what? Let's go make some magic at the Breakfast Club.
Yes, yes.
All right, my friends, we'll talk to you soon.
Bye guys. Love you.
We love this picture. You're looking at Brittany Moore as she works her crossing guard duty in this morning's frosty temperatures. She says 32-degree weather, who cares? It doesn't stop her from the job she really enjoys. Brittany's post was actually a response to our hashtag, This Is How We Houston campaign. So if you want to send us some pictures of how you're bearing up under all of this cold weather, just hashtag This Is How We Houston, and we will put them on TV. But in the meantime, thanks, Brittany, for showing us
Way to go,
how to handle it.
Brittany. That was terrific. We love that picture.
That was great.
Sure, tomorrow afternoon she'll be out of that hat. She will not have that coat on anymore. This is how we used to. Right?
That's how we Houston. Every time we turn around, there's a different weather pattern going on.
Now, AccuWeather with 13 Eyewitness News Chief Meteorologist Travis Herzog.
Well, we told you to expect some frost this morning, and this Instagram post shows it.
We love it. One of our viewers posting this photo. She's a crossing guard and simply says, this 32-degree weather doesn't stop me from doing the job I love. Hashtag This Is How We Houston. We love it. Way to go. Look at that coat.
Look at those earmuffs.
Yeah.
Those earmuffs are the most.
And behind her, it looked like a winter wonderland.
I know, and all that frost.
My goodness.
Yeah.
And thank you, Miss Ellen, for braving the cold to make sure the children up there in Aldine ISD get there safely.
go, ladies.
Yeah.
All right, Discovery Green was packed this morning as hundreds gathered to watch Good Morning America broadcast live from downtown.
And ABC 13's Bree Berry was there for all of it. Take a look.
Good morning, humid Houston. Good morning, Houston.
The GMA Big Summer Road Trip landed in Houston, Texas before the sun was even up.
Welcome, hey, thank you for welcoming us to Houston, everybody. We're so excited to be in Houston.
And Houston was ready, packing Discovery Green.
Just seeing them in general, you know, like being this close is like a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Most Houstonians waking up as early as 1:30 a.m. to get a good spot in the crowd.
Since my grandmother wasn't able to be here, she's on the poster, Betty Robinson. And then this is all the honey girls.
Smoked barbecue, a steer named Oliver, plenty of humidity and lots of excitement. The party lasted all morning long with Michael Strahan, Lara Spencer, Tori Johnson, and Ginger Z.
It's not just because of the weather. This is the warmest welcome that I have felt in quite some time. This is really special. I knew it would be this way. My goddaughter lives here, so I've spent time in Houston. I've been here, you know, for storms, obviously, but also just to be here to celebrate this great city. And it's a great city.
At Discovery Green, Bree Berry, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
This because we're excited. Let's talk some Stros, people. The Astros are up 2-1 in the ALCS after getting a win yesterday afternoon. It was so good to watch that.
Yeah, now fans are celebrating this morning as the Stros continue to win. And the Stros are also buying breakfast. The morning goes to Courtney is her name, Courtney Carpenter, and is live in North Houston at Shipley's Donuts. I'm just so excited about this because we can now score Stro Nuts. Is that right, Courtney?
Hey, Stro Nuts, this is the place to get them this morning. We're here at Shipley Donut off North Freeway. We're having a good time here with Richard and Orbit. Oh my goodness, this is quite the party. It's drizzling, but that's not stopping this. Tell us about the swag, what folks can get out here.
Yeah, no, it's raining a little bit, but that's okay. We're still having fun. We've got Astros swag here. We've got sunglasses, we've got t-shirts, we've got stickers. Whatever you want to swag your car, yourself, whatever out, we got it here. We're also giving out free Stro Nuts to all fans who come out and just come visit us here. We want to have a good time with you.
Absolutely. Orbit, I know you are ready to go. Orbit, how are you feeling about the game tonight? Okay, thumbs up. We got a thumbs up from Orbit. Okay, Brittany, I gotta ask. You actually came out for the Stro Nuts.
Yes.
How are they? Are they good?
They are incredible. These are the bomb.com. They're pumpkin flavor. Go Astros!
Brittany likes them. Y'all gotta come get them. We're stepping inside. Shooting stars are in here. Come on in. We got all kinds of fun going on. Stacy here from Shipley has been keeping us in line all morning. Oh my gosh. What flavor you think has been going hot? I know the pumpkin, that's kind of special, a little different.
It is. It's really special. We tried to make some Astro Orange here, so, but I don't know, vanilla, the white ice, it's kind of a classic too, so I would say it's half and half, right ladies?
Right. Yeah. Okay, half and half. The stars are the specialty. Absolutely. And this is going on until 9, okay? So we still got time to come on out. Tell us one more time, Stacey, where you guys are.
It's 17425 North Freeway, so 1960 and 45. So right on the feeder road.
You guys gotta come out here. It's the place to be. Check these ladies out. Got some amazing donuts for us, all the swag, and of course the game going on tonight. I know we've been talking about the weather, but my friend Richard outside said maybe by lunchtime we'll know kind of what the situation is on that one. So lots of celebrations here for the Stros. We'll keep you guys updated, guys. For now, back to you.
15 minutes left to get your Stro Nuts. Stro Nuts, that is. Gotta be great. Thanks, Courtney.